Hi there, Chris here with a bit of an update video for you guys. In this coming episode of Way of the Brush, episode 349, which should be airing next week. I'm posting this as of the 12th of June 2021, and we're giving away this, not this lamp, but a brand new lamp, to one lucky viewer in a review video on this Neatfi lamp. You can check it out in one of these areas. Little thing will pop up showing the video. To enter, just simply like the video and comment, "Give me Neatfi," and you're entered to win. I'll be doing the draw on episode 349 of Way of the Brush at some point during the show. And yeah, hopefully, you know, some lucky viewer out there is going to win it and enjoy a brand new lamp. One little follow-up thing I will mention about this lamp. So far, I've been working with it for a couple weeks now. It never gets turned off, and it runs really well. You know, it's not, it's warm, but it's not like hot. It's LEDs, right? So it's not terribly, you know, but I have a habit of leaving the lamps on all the time. So, you know, but I don't know. I just don't turn them off, man. Jeez. What is it, crime? Alrighty, I just wanted to keep you guys up to date. We're going to do the draw next episode, 349, Way of the Brush, which would be airing, I don't know, a week from today. This is the 12th, so next Saturday. So stay tuned. All right, that's it. That's all. I just wanted to let you guys know. Of course, if you're interested in the lamp, I have affiliate links in below. Yeah, that's it. Okay, go back to whatever you're doing.